guys, this is Craft and Creativity and welcome back to my channel. My space is a little messy, but today we are going to be making things out of paper shreds. Yay! Well, not things. That we're actually only making one thing. And that is a coaster. We are making a real coaster out of paper shreds. Not a Barbie coaster, a coaster, a real coaster. So what you're gonna need is 300 glue sticks. I'm kidding. This is just a pack of 300 that I got. I'm not gonna use all of these right now, but we're gonna be using some of these definitely. But it doesn't take that much. Maybe 3 glue sticks. Let's get started. All right. So the first step is to put these in a circular pile, just like this. Just like this. I just burned myself really bad with the glue gun. It was on my lap and it literally like punctured into my arm. Anyway, put it into a circular thing like this, and this may sound kind of stupid, but it's not gonna work. But you're just gonna splatter a bunch of glue on the top of it. This is gonna be the bottom, by the way. So just a bunch of glue on the top of it. And you'll see, it may sound really like dumb and oh, this is not gonna work, but trust me, I have tried this before, and I'm gonna go get the one that I just that I made earlier. So it's right here, and this is the part that I glued, and I did a lot of glue on that part, but it's pretty stable and it holds the glass pretty well. It's not very circular because that was my first one, but we need more glue sticks. I almost couldn't see them because they're so clear. But what we're going to do now is just splatter a bunch of glue on there, and then I'll tell you what to do after that. So we're just gonna glue this here, just like that. And it's perfectly fine if like after you glue it, a bunch of the paper shreds come off because you're not gluing all of the paper shreds. When I first tried this method, I was like, oh my god, this is not gonna work. I just wasted a bunch of paper, just wasted my glue. But it actually works. It's kind of insane because it just looks really stupid. It's so simple, but if you want to conserve paper, buy a shredder on Amazon and make a coaster out of it. I mean, this is the bottom, so it's the ugly part's on the bottom, and it's grippy, so you could just put a glass there. So I'm just gonna continue gluing this until it's enough, and I'll show you what enough looks like. It'll look like this, but I'll show you what it looks like, and I'll show you what to do with it next. And by the way, before I do that, here's what the coaster looks like with the cup on top of it. So that's what it looks like. It could be any shape you want. You can make any shape. It doesn't even have to be a coaster. You know, I was inspired by a placemat when I was with Schleichhorst June. Go watch that video. When I was with Schleichhorst June, she had a placemat that looked exactly like this coaster right here, and but it was like a placemat. It was a square placemat. And it was really cool, and I was inspired by that. But I'm making a coaster because it's just gonna use up too much of my glue sticks. So I did the glue here. I don't think it's dry yet, but see, it's kind of coming together there. Yeah, it's not dry yet, but when that's dry, I will show you guys. All right, so I'm just it's not perfectly dry yet, but I'm just removing the excess from the paper, and you can save this excess paper because it's might be a lot here. You know, I'm just gonna move this glue gun because it's kind of scaring me here. Okay, even when I picked it up, just right there, it is so hot. Be extremely careful with them. So I'm just removing the excess here, and just around there, just around the edges. And while I'm doing this, it's drying. So it is drying while I'm doing this. Is it dry yet? It's pretty dry, actually. There's so many strings of hot glue. Okay. Well, oh my goodness. I'm literally Spider-Man right now. Okay. So here is what the final product looks like. there's going to be a lot of falling off paper, not when you use it in general, but in like the first time you make it, just expect some paper to be falling off and everything. Putting it in the spotlight right here. So, well, here's how it looks like. Here's the finished project. I hope you really liked this really simple craft I just did. And make sure this is the ugly side down. And it's very grippy because it has hot glue, and well, there are a lot of videos on how hot glue is grippy and how to take advantage of that. But I hope you enjoyed this video. And here are my two coasters. This one is not very circular, but I think this one's a little bit better. And it's a fun way to conserve paper. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And make sure to make this coaster and use it, and enjoy recycling paper. And be sure to like and subscribe and have a good time. Bye!